In this video, we will show you how to replace your fog lamp cover on this Nissan Altima. This will be mounted directly to your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the vehicle on the side that has the fog lamp cover that you are replacing. You're going to find that you have 4 Phillips head screws to remove in this area. At this point, you should be able to take hold of this plastic panel and maneuver it around a little bit. We're going to pull this down and away from the bumper cover. You could grab a hold of the bumper cover and flex it a tiny bit while pulling this down. Just be careful for any pinch points. With that broken free, let's move to this Phillips head screw. Now over in this corner, you're going to find a push clip to remove. To remove your push pin, you carefully start pulling out the center to unlock it, and then you remove the outer portion as well. With that separated, let's follow this area back here to 2 more Phillips head screws. Now we can take this and we'll flex it out of our way. Let's have a look up in here. Now looking up inside this area, you're going to find some locking clips that hold that fog lamp cover to the bumper cover. To remove these clips, you want to carefully press in on the center to depress it, and then start pressing it out towards the front of the vehicle while doing so. There are several clips that make their way around this. Typically, once you remove most of them, the rest of them will just kind of separate. There we are. It's starting to come free now. Just got one more tab. There it is, friend. Clean and inspect the mounting area, and we'll continue on with our installation. Align your locking tabs with their corresponding holes. Once you've done so, go ahead and press this into position. Should hear a click from all the way around on this. Now we can start putting on our plastic panels. We'll make sure we have them in the proper orientation. There we are. Align your push pin hole. It's lined up right here. Continue on to your mounting screws. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our fog lamp cover on our vehicle. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Once you completed that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test and listen for funny noises. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.